As a company with a long history of female leadership, Enterprise supports WIN because we value the important role women play in this industry. Partnering with WIN gives us an opportunity to collaborate and address industry challenges with our partners. One of those challenges we are collaborating on today is the technician shortage. The Enterprise Holdings Foundation recently launched a collision engineering program to help fill these critical roles. Through our research, we uncovered women as one of the target demographics interested in entering our industry. WIN has played and will continue to play a huge role in serving as a pipeline for women entering the collision industry.
So I've met so many different people at the WIN conference this year that come from so many different areas in roles that I didn't even know existed. And it's so encouraging to know that my career could take me in any one of these different directions, and the connections that I make give me these automatic role models for anything that I could want to do with my future.
I think as a new entrant to collision repair generally, that WIN can provide women with many opportunities to learn and grow and advance themselves professionally by learning from others, by networking and supporting others, and by giving back and being a mentor to others.